Morning.
Side, please lay the overhead bins flat, wheels or handles first. We do have a completely full flight. We would like to get on as many carry-on bags as possible. Help us out. We'll just need your help by placing all small items such as backpack, purses, laptop, computers, book bags, tote bags, jackets, anything small like that underneath the seat in front of you only. You notice that that bin is closed. That does indicate that the bin is full. So please utilize the next closest open overhead bin towards your seat. Thank you and welcome aboard.
Hours. Well, like maybe 2.5.
This is like
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta for 100 years and counting. Delta Airlines. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority, and the responsibility of everyone on board. So, before we depart, please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you.
Larger electronic devices must be placed in a bag. Handheld portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be sealed.
Are you going to get a senior ring? The aisle or high school ring?
They're way too expensive. They're like a couple $100.
yeah.
Yeah.
Want me to buy you one?
No, you don't need to buy me one, Kayla.
As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt.
Oh, it's like 300, dude. It's like 300.
Oh, I think so too.
It's like a couple hundred, but I think it's like 300 or 400.
Your seatbelt fasten.
Way too much.
Seatbelt sign is on, and keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rope air. In the event of rope air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless products, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors.
There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side. 4 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin in the middle of the plane. In the event of an evacuation, leave all bags behind. Carry-in baggage will slow the evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with the green exit symbol. Locate the nearest exit, and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisles to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatory. Reach up and pull a mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note the oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, light the vest in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lap riding are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary. Please, when we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Carry-on items secured, and armrests are in position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket.
Okay.
As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. As we take off into the future, sit back and relax. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta today and for the next 100 years.
Thank you for paying attention to this important safety message.
You're flying from a connected aircraft today, equipped with fast, free Delta Sync Wi-Fi and Delta Sync seatbelts, all available for free with your SkyMiles memberships. Use your personal device to sign in to Delta Sync Wi-Fi and enjoy access to unlimited streaming, browsing, and messaging, plus exclusive offers and experiences from brands you love. Simply switch your device to airplane mode. Turn Wi-Fi on.
We don't. We're upon request. You're going to have to get up in the air. Upon request, yes, but you're going to have to wait until we get up in the air. Yep, what's in the air?
With your SkyMiles account. If you don't have a SkyMiles account, it's fast and free to sign up. But the connection doesn't stop there. Our Delta Sync seatback screen brings a smarter, more personalized experience right to your seat. We've got you covered with real-time travel updates and connecting flight information. Plus, thousands of hours of new movies and trending series with recommendations just for you. Pick up where you left off with our resume watching feature and add your favorites to my list. To access, click the login button on the top right of the seatback screen. Then use your mobile device to scan the QR code and follow the instructions on the Fly Delta app to securely log in. Shortly after we've arrived at the gate, you'll be automatically logged out of your seatback screen. Make the most of your travel time. Stay connected all flight long with Delta Sync.
This is the family. There's a family album, so my sister commented and then her other friend commented. She's such a cutie pie. Look how cute she is. Isn't she cute? She is such a... She was so good. They came in last weekend and she was just such a... I mean, yeah, my grandson, he turned 4, that's why
I would imagine.
she came in for his birthday. He's cute, but he's a boy.
So he's a talker.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he talks like a lot.
He was saying, no.
I know, but he's really like clingy to his parents right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. We'll be airborne shortly.
He talks a lot. He's very, very sweet. He's really something. I got the 2 of them so far. Oh, that's cute. That's my mom looking.
Oh, that's your mom right there?
Yeah, that's my mom.
Yeah, Spirit just landed right now.
So she's pretty. Yeah, she's 86. 86. She looks good. Yeah, oh, my mom is like real fussy about how she looks.
Captain, we did with the remainder of the flight. You need any additional lighting. Reach just above your head. 2 minutes to service your neck. This is being warned to flight Takeoff. Let your personal airbag.
I was watching me with my glasses on.
Your glasses on. You let him, that he didn't go like that.
I know. I was really, I was worried. He's like, he thought he'd be funny. And I look Grandma. His name is Cole. Yeah, Cole. And their last name is Kaylee, so it's Cole, Kaylee. So they're all, my daughters are Chelsea with a C.
Okay.
Her husband is Kayla with a C. And then we got Cole with a C. And their last name is with a C. So
like other cards.
So they finally did a scope.
You're not gonna give it away, are you?
No.
Still, I don't think I'm getting another test. So they don't know what's Do you really? It's a weird thing. So the doctor, when he went to the scopes, he goes, I don't think, because I think you might be like lactose intolerance. That I don't do. I cut dairy out and I feel a lot better.
get out of the movie.
No, Mimi wants to.
It was at the top of the screen. Fort Myers, so it might be a hard landing.
Let me read the next one. Will you read it to me so I
We gotta turn around, then we'll land. That's why I record him, Kale. I post him on YouTube and I watch him again. Yeah. It's gonna be a really windy landing. So don't be surprised if it's hard. Just letting you know, Caleb. It might be a hard landing.
It might what?
It might be a hard landing.
You think so?
It's windy.
It's windy?
Yeah. It's always windy coming into Fort Myers. might grease it. We never know. Gives me some rudder. Quite the windy one today, isn't it? It's windier than usual today, too. Here we go. Here we come. That wasn't even hard. Yeah, that wasn't. That was good. Yeah, compared to the Frontier one.
Welcome aboard my total. The time is 11:06 a.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry items stood up till the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may hit you during flight. And please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before deplaning. As you return, we ask you, we invite you to use the flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information. For customers requesting luggage on arrival, we will advise you upon reaching the gate when assistance is available to disembark the aircraft. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Detroit-based crew,
except to go look for your bag. You have to go out of the airport.